Back with Bobby and JJ Radio. We are talking everything Elite Attorney San Antonio, which is the great magazine of all the attorneys that you need to know if you have to know in our city. If you missed any of the interviews before, you go to bobandjjradio.com, be a fan of the show. You can also like us on Instagram, also be a fan through Facebook, and we also send everything out via Twitter. So let's jump right back into this. So we talked a little bit about these events, but tell us about these events that you guys are hosting for everyone that's involved in the magazine.
Yeah, so the events that we host have been actually, the inaugural was at J Prime Steakhouse.
Right.
And we opened the doors to a different market because we wanted to kind of see, what our geographic would be,
sure.
In that sense. And we switched things over for a bit to Roost Chris, which we had an incredible turnout where we recently honored our latest issue
sure.
that's circulating right now, and that's Hector Gonzalez, criminal attorney.
Right. Bobby needs some.
Again, we wanted to kind of, make sure that we're there for our clients just as much, and our attorneys, they eat at the best places as well. So
sure.
It kind of opens doors for us. And Jenn touches base a little bit on that elite eatery section. So J Prime is where we can have our future events. And we just recently opened up some doors with them as well for future mixers, so that we can have our cover party that's special for our attorneys, but then to just branch out for the businesses.
How often are you guys doing these events?
Well, we started off highlighting our cover attorney the second month that our issue is running. And what I'm finding that may be something in the future that we do, Bobby, is transitioning something there at J Prime where we have these networking mixers at the beginning of the month. So the beginning of the month, you can catch us there at J Prime,
right.
or any place that we post on social media. We're very active on Facebook, and we try to stay within the times as well.
Right.
And so more future information can be posted up at our Facebook page.
And so when you're part of this magazine I was talking about earlier, so you get to go and hang out, and we went to the Kennard.
Yes, Alfonso Kennard.
Alfonso Kennard, he's a really cool guy from El Paso, also like me, and so we got to connect. And something I would never get in front of this guy. He's in billboards in all the different major cities in Texas. You just never getting in front of that guy again.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I felt, at least. And to be able to just sit with him for I think we talked for 35 minutes there.
Yeah, very cool guy.
Yeah, really cool guy. I mean, someone that you want to know,
Absolutely.
And like I said before, just, being a non, I guess legal person that's in the magazine has really benefited our team a lot, because you get to network with different attorneys, and I think attorneys in themselves, they start to give each other referrals, because not everyone specializes in everything. And so I saw a lot of the networking there. But let's talk a little bit about how you guys have an online directory, like an Angie's List for these lawyers.
We do, JJ. It's an e-directory platform that initially, when we started the concept of Elite Attorney and a legal resource that we are,
right,
we wanted to be able to still have that information up on our website for an online presence. And we've already implemented that. And so you can actually go to one of the tabs and click on Find an Attorney. And
right,
under there will be a selected amount of attorneys that have either advertised with us in the past or who we feel fits along our requirements, just so that we can kind of highlight those attorneys.
Right.
So absolutely, it's an e-directory platform. It's almost like a WebMD, if you will, but
sure,
for the legal industry right here in San Antonio.
And that's EliteAttorneySA.com.
EliteAttorneySA.com.
And if anyone wants to get a hold of you guys directly, it's info@EliteAttorneyTX.com.
That's right. You can also find us on that. And there's a reason behind that, by the way. It's just because we plan on being in Austin and Dallas and Houston, and we
sure,
want to take this to other levels. So
it's all over Texas.
It's all over. It's the mother hub of San Antonio.
It will be for sure.
TX.
Okay.
It'll direct you right to it.
Awesome. I really appreciate you guys being here right now. I'm going to
Thank
take
you.
a quick break, come back with Russell Amsberry, a really big attorney. Be right back.